What's going on, mother truckers? We just had a subscriber, Jonah, which just sent me this link and said that I was the first person he could think of that might be able to help. So there's this guy, his name is Rob Foster, and he put this in a chat group, and he's hoping for information. This is what he's asking. He says, I'm looking for advice and direction. This is my grandfather as well as my right-hand man and best friend and a Korean vet. In this picture, he's 88 years old, which was last year. He's been trucking for, I would say, 50 years. Monday, 2/21/22, he was diagnosed with stage 4 kidney failure and some sort of cancer, which they're doing a CAT scan today, 2/24/22. He has already told all nurses and doctors that he's declining dialysis and any type of chemo, which also means he doesn't have much more longer. However, I stand by his decision 100%. For his funeral, I would love to do a final ride for him. However, I have not the slightest clue on making that happen. I would love to have him carried by a show rig followed by other rigs. If anyone can point me in the right direction, I would greatly appreciate it. Located in Louisville, Kentucky. Wow. All I have to say is, Jonah, thank you for sending me this link. Mother truckers, please share this. I will copy this down below. If there's anyone that can point Rob Foster in the right direction, his grandfather is his best friend, and I just want to do good on this channel and platform and just share this out there. So if you could just please share this out there. He wants to do something amazing for his grandfather, and if there's any way that we can help, we're going to do it. This is what this channel is about. It's just about helping others, especially in the trucking community. His grandson respects his grandfather's decision. But with that said, if anyone is in the Louisville, Kentucky area and has show trucks or has some kind of idea, please message Rob Foster, please. I appreciate you so much. Mother truckers, stay blessed out there. But let's see what we can do to help Rob Foster out.